In a world where technology is a crucial part of our lives, it's fundamental that we are able to understand it from a young age. It is easy for hope to be shifted when you are told your dream cost too much. My family did not have a lot of money, and so some days it seems like I would never work with electronics. I was lucky to receive a job at the Central University of Technology as a lab assistant. This is where I was able to create a prototype of Arduino Coolkit. The reason why I designed the kit was to help learners from primary schools, high schools, even university students to make things easy for them to learn about programming and electronics. I believe that if kids have an opportunity to play with robots like the ones that they see on TV, the interest for electronics will explode. As South African kids, we're growing up seeing amazing games and gadgets that we wish we could own. I want to make those available to the next generation. I want our kids to play with robots.